Nigututhukire Githagathago mbunge-ini ya kaunti ya Kiambu hindi ya kwariria maritwa ma andu aria mamuritwo kuruta wira mbundi-ini ya wandikani kaunti-ini ino. Githagathago giki kiyumiririe hindi iria muikariri giti wa kamiti iria irathurimaga andu aya yendekithirie guteanirio kwa ndereti ya muthenya wa umuthi gugituika ndekumenyithitie amemba amwe kamiti-ini ino.
The battles we are fighting here do not belong to the Public Service Committee. Neither those nominees. We are fighting other people's battles, other people's interests, other people's greatness, for lack of a better word.
No na thengia wa thigithigi iyo maritwa ma wakiri wa kaunti na maminista mahetukirio gutari na thigithigi.
Honorable Speaker, we need staff in our counties. We need to formulate, we need to get nurses in our hospitals so that they can deal with the situation that we have at hand. So, Honorable Speaker, I beg that we move forward, and I thank members, and I beg to reply. Thank you.
Muthia bunge ino ni hetukirie maritwa mau mothe ma wakiri wa kaunti ma minister ro Umwe na bodi ya wandikani wa mawira.
Hauma na siasa nini cigukite thiini wa committee tondu gutire hindi kungituika wewe wa committee muhetukie maritwa na mauke murehe notice of motion na muke murehe nginya mu debate na ereho haha mucoke mwambie kurega kiria murehete.
Giikaro kia umuthi gikionania njatũkano mbunge-ini ino ndirirathira kuona kuhetukio kwa bodi ino ni mite icukirwo.
Twaregana na andu acio, twaregana na committee na twaregana na chairman na twaregana na andu acio othe na twamihetukia na twamessagea na twahetukia andu acio mari othe tondu tuane kumonera mekumonagira.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa kamiti ino Kalpes Giantiral ekwendekithagia guteanirio kwa ndereti ya umuthi akiuga hari mahitia maumirira-ini ma riboti yao kuri amwe ya ahuraniri iturwa cia bodi aya megwateire kibugu.
Public Service and Administration Committee report on vetting of nominees for appointment to positions of chairperson and members of County Public Service Board, and in accordance with Section 58(1)(b) of the County Governments Act 2012, rejects the appointment of Dr. Bernard Kariuki Kimani as a member of the County Public Service Board.
Undu uria utumite speaker wa bunge ino Stephen Ndisho kuria uthuthuria wiko wa kiria giatumire amwe ya ahuraniri icio kuheo kibugu ona thengia wao gwikinyia ciikaro-ini niguo guthurimwo.
That one within 3 days. From there, the next course of action will be taken.
Riu ngavana Nyoro akiurio kwihitithia maritwa maya na ihenya ota uria kwahoteka niguo wira uthie na mbere kaunti-ini ino gutari na ihingica ta hau kabere. Riu kibarua kiria gitigarite ni kia ngavana wa kaunti ino James Nyoro kuhitithia maritwa maria marikia kuhetukio ni bunge ino na niguo wira urutike kaunti-ini ino. Kameme TV ngithie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Njitagwo Wanjikũ wa Wanjikũ.